Every day, millions of people wake up with the same dream: more money, more freedom, a better future. But by the end of the day, they spent 6 hours scrolling, answered 50 notifications, watched 3 hours of content, and made 0 progress. The problem isn't intelligence, the problem is focus. We live in the most distracted generation in human history. Every app wants your attention, every notification wants your energy, every platform wants more of your time. And while you're distracted, someone else is building the future. Here's what most people don't realize. Success isn't built by doing more. It's built by eliminating distractions. Wealth is created when attention stays in one place long enough to become valuable. The first rule is simple: create a not-to-do list. Most people make to-do lists. Winners make elimination lists, because every new yes is a no to something else. Every hour spent doom scrolling is an hour not spent building skills. Every hour spent comparing yourself is an hour not spent improving yourself. Focus grows when distractions die. Most people start their day with easy wins. They answer emails, check messages, organize folders, then wonder why nothing changes. High performers do the opposite. They attack the hardest task first, because one hard win creates confidence, and confidence creates momentum. Here's a truth nobody likes hearing: if everybody can reach you, you'll never reach your potential. Turn off notifications, create boundaries, protect your attention like it's money. Because it is. Your feed is programming your future. Think about that. If you consume gossip, you'll think about gossip. If you consume business, you'll think about opportunities. Feed your mind what you want your life to become. Motivation is unreliable. Progress is addictive. Start tracking wins. One workout, one sales call, one page read, one investment made, one step forward. Small wins repeated daily. Become extraordinary results. People think they need more motivation. Usually they need more energy. Move your body. Sleep better. Walk outside. Build momentum physically first. Your mind follows your body. The biggest lie you've been told is that successful people are more talented. They're not. They're just focused longer. 5 years from now, the difference won't be intelligence. It won't be luck. It won't even be opportunity. It'll be attention. Because the person who learns to control their attention controls their future. The person who controls their future controls their income. And the person who controls their income controls their freedom. Stop trying to be more motivated. Become less distracted. Stop chasing shortcuts. Build focus. Build skills. Build wealth. Because the life you want is hiding behind the distractions you refuse to remove. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today. Freedom tomorrow.